everyone. My name is Brittany Flandrick. I'm from near Richmond, Wisconsin. My major is elementary education and my minor is early childhood education, so easy. Um, my college journey started at UW-Marion County, where I completed majority of my generals, and then I transferred to UW River Falls, where I became a student there, and I also became a member of Alpha Omicron Pi. I unfortunately had to take a break from my education due to financial situations, and so I took about a year and a half off. And so I decided I wanted to go back and just get something on the plate. And so I said, oh, I'll get my early childhood degree and I'll start there. And I ended up really loving it. So I went to Wisconsin Indiana Technical College for my ECE or early childhood education. And in 2018, I graduated with my ECE degree, my associate's in early childhood education, and I didn't know how much I would fall in love with it, and I ended up really falling in love with it, and I've been doing that for a very long time now. So, and now I'm here. I have about a year left of school, so I'll be graduating next spring, and I'm very excited to not only continue to learn, but to know that my end goal is in sight. My um, my hobbies are include well, so many hobbies, I guess, but I like crafting, I like hiking, traveling, and Netflix marathoning. That's probably a weird one, but I like all different types of shows. I've been really into Bob's Burgers recently, so and I still haven't Rick and Morty as well, although that isn't the most appropriate show, but it is pretty funny. My family, a little bit about my family is I've been with my boyfriend almost 5 years and his beautiful daughter. We have a lot of fun and I just love my little family here. And then my mom, my dad, my sister, and my brother live about 8 minutes away. I'm the oldest of three. And my sister is actually moving to Oregon pretty soon and I'm really excited for her next adventure there. I do not have any pets in this townhouse slash apartment. There's no pets allowed. And so one day I hope to own a cat, dog, or pig. Although I'm unfortunately allergic to both cats and dogs. So that's kind of the hardest, but I'll make do. I want a pet, so I'll make do. My interests include, well, again, I like Netflix marathoning, and sometimes I like to read. I have been kind of burnt out with textbooks, but when I find a really good book that I'm interested in, I usually can sit down when I have some spare time to be able to do that. Um, I work as a 3K teacher right now, and I really love that very much. So it's at a local center, and yeah, I guess not I guess, again, I really do love it. It makes a big difference in my life as I was finding what I really wanted to do for the rest of my life, and I'm really just happy that I came about that. My goal for this course is I want to learn more about literacy um, and what it means in the classroom. Although I studied a lot about literacy in the classroom already in my ECE degree, I always know and I always believe that there's always more to learn and information is always updating and that it's important to keep learning. So, to learn more about literacy and how I plan to accomplish this goal is to be here in this course and to apply what I learn to find information about literacy and just to be present in this class. I became a teacher to ask or to answer the question about what led me to be a teacher was when I was 16 years old, I started helping to teach at a Christian formation, so a Catholic church class on Wednesday nights for an hour with another teacher. I found out that this teacher who was teaching this class, sorry, that's a lot in the sentence, who was teaching this class was an actual teacher in a classroom, meaning during the day instead of in the evenings for an hour. And she showed me how, as a person in the teaching field, how you can make learning fun and being able to see a student's eyes light up when they like really understand something and apply it is so cool. And I've learned that firsthand through her and through this class. And so almost 10 years later, I still want to teach. And like I said, I'm a 3K teacher now, and I am really happy that I'm here teaching because trying to find that calling can be really hard. And for me, I guess it came a little bit easier. So I just feel really blessed in that. And that's how I made the decision to become a teacher was seeing that and knowing that children, the children that you teach are the future of this planet, and we need to teach them right. And also being able to guide students through their domains of their developments, their personal goals, and to see them accomplish that is so awesome, and it makes me proud of the students and the people that they are. So, well, I'm excited to be in this class and to be here, and I'm excited to learn with you all. I hope you have a wonderful semester.